Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I have two boxes for you. I have the Target regular monthly subscription, which is $7 for June, and then this one is a men's edition, which they released I believe for Father's Day. So this one is also $7, and I purchased both of these at Target.com. So let's start off with the men's. So open the box, beautiful top, and then this is what's inside. And I guess this is the info sheet. So it's got all of the different products we have in here, and I can't really remember what was in here, so it'll be a surprise for me. All right, so the first thing we have is Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Men's. Let's see, this is Pure Sport Men's Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. That's nice. I know my husband does like Head & Shoulders. The next item is, wow, it's a full-size Old Spice Fresh Collection Deep Sea Invisible Solid Deodorant. Wow, this is really nice. So, I mean, these are usually about $5. So, and then this is bigger than like a travel size. So I would assume it's more than like $1 or $2. But it doesn't have the values on here. Let's see what's next. The next thing is Crest Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste. Hint, brush teeth for at least 2 minutes to give the fluoride in toothpaste enough time to attach to enamel. Yes. You always need to remember that. Okay, the next thing, oh wow, this is really nice too. A full size, well, a razor. This is a Gillette Skin Guard men's razor. This is really nice, and it comes with one cartridge. This is really nice, Skin Guard. I think my husband's gonna like this a lot, or I might use it too. But this is really nice. I mean, these usually cost about $10. And then we have a Dove Men Care Clean Comfort Dry Spray Antiperspirant. So it's another deodorant. Let's see how it smells. It smells very good, very clean. I like that. It's not like a strong typical men's scent. It's very, very clean. And then this is, there's 3 little packets here, and it's called, I've never heard of this brand, but it's called Bulldog Men's Skincare. It has there's a moisturizer, face wash, and shave gel. So I guess it's like a little sample, so you can sample out this new brand, Bulldog. It says here, all our products are purpose-built for men and contain amazing natural ingredients. This face wash contains aloe vera, camelina oil, and green tea. So it says it's cruelty-free, made in the UK. So if your man wants some cruelty-free products, this is a good brand for them. Just to recap on this, all of these items I know my husband's gonna love. They're all so useful. This was a great box. I like that Target did this. They included a men's box. Men need beauty products too, right? So I think all of these are great products. They did a superb job, and I'm excited to share this with my husband. Next we're gonna do the regular subscription box, and this is the top. It's very colorful, and it's got little birdies. This is the inside, and then the beauty card. And let's see what we got. Oh, I see one of the brands I really, really like. Okay, let's start with that one since I really like it. Okay, this is Pixi. This is the Pixi brand, and I first learned about Pixi through one of the Target boxes, and I love it. This is a T-Zone Peel-Off Mask, unique green superfood blend, instantly draws out impurities, and and lifts oil away to reveal nourished, glowing skin. This is really nice. I can't wait to use it. Next, let's see what this says. Okay. All right, this is C&D. This is C&D Vinylux Mini Duo Pack. Innovative two-step system coupled with ProLite technology builds resistance to chips and enhances durability so nails stay perfectly polished all week long. Oh, cool. That's nice. Okay, next we have this herbal essence. Let's see what this is about. This is a BioRenew Revitalize Cucumber and Green Tea Dry Shampoo. This I really like. I do use dry shampoo. My favorite is the Suave brand. I haven't tried the herbal essence yet, but I am excited to try on. The fragrance is really important to me because I do get migraines. There's a few that I have tried that the fragrance is just too strong. But this, I can hardly smell it revitalized, so I'm excited to try that. Next is the Tresemme. This is a Tresemme Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Okay, cool. Another dry shampoo. All right, this is cool. Oh, now I can smell this herbal essence. Now I can smell it. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the smells. Okay, let's see. This one is strong. This one smells like hairspray. So probably not gonna be able to use that one. It's really, really strong. Next, let's see. I think this looks new. I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots. Ampules Hair Treatment, a blend of Provitamin B5, strengthening lipids, and natural glycerin helps repair damaged hair so locks are soft, shiny, and more resilient. Okay, so this is, it treats split ends, helps prevent split ends. This is 15 milliliters. I'm not sure if this is a full size or not. I haven't seen this at the store, so I'm not really sure, but let's see. It's like thick shampoo-like texture. Okay, we'll try it out. So just to recap on these items, this one is interesting. We'll have to learn a little bit more about this Pantene product. The Pixi product I am excited about trying because Pixi, since it is a natural brand, it is a little bit higher in pricing. So it's really nice to try out a smaller version before you go and buy the bigger version, which is what I did when I got the toner in a beauty box. I went and got the larger version. Okay, so then we have this one and then 2 dry shampoos. I'm not really sure why they would put 2 dry shampoos, but I guess maybe they really want to get those out there. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.